Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Abhijit Taide, Senior Orthopedic Consultant, New Delhi. So today we'll be discussing what can make your hip AVN worse. We'll explore the factors that can escalate the condition from grade 1 to the further stages and what actions we should take to avoid these and delay the surgery. First, we should understand what is hip AVN and how it progresses. Hip AVN is avascular necrosis of your hip where the blood circulation to the hip joint starts decreasing and the bone tissue is disrupted and leading to bone death. This can also lead to collapse of the hip joint. Now, how does this AVN progresses? If you see Fickett and Allred classification, grade 1 and grade 2, those are the early stages of AVN, where if you treat it with medication at an appropriate time, sometimes core decompression and sometimes some exercises and physiotherapy that can help you. But if you come in the later stage, grade 3 or grade 4, then it's very difficult to save your hip with just medication and core decompression. In such conditions, the only way out is a total hip replacement. So to save your hip, you should first show your doctor. They will see whether you have AVN and which stage of AVN it is. If you have early stages, you have to take few steps so that it doesn't progress. I'll be telling you which steps you have to take so that your AVN doesn't progress further. So how to avoid deterioration of the hip AVN? First, take proper treatment. Follow the prescribed scientific treatment which has been planned for you. If you need medications, stem cell therapy, you have to get it done so that it doesn't progress, because this is a minimal invasive technique and this will help you save your hip. So do not ignore the condition or delay proper treatment as this can lead to severe complications. The second most important is weight management. Avoid weight gain during this condition because that will increase the chances of joint collapse and arthritis, worsening the condition. Medical manage which you have to take care of. If you are taking steroids, consult your doctor first. Start tapering the steroids because that is one of the biggest reasons why your AVN can aggravate. One of the reasons for AVN is addiction, which is alcohol addiction, drug addiction, or smoking. You have to stay away from this. If you still have alcohol or drugs, then it can negatively impact your condition and it can worsen your condition of AVN. The grade will increase rapidly if you don't stop it. The most important is to stay fit. If you engage in regular physical exercises or physiotherapy and if you strengthen your muscle and your joint, then your hip will be safe and you have to keep exercising and stretching. You have to avoid high impact activities because that can negatively impact your hip. So only high impact activities like running, jumping should be avoided. Stretching should be incorporated daily in your exercise routine. This will strengthen the muscle, this will increase the muscle range, and this will benefit your post-operative rehabilitation. What are the misconceptions regarding AVN treatment? Now, the biggest problem that people face is people don't want to get operated. That's why they go for the alternative medicine or the unscientific treatment part, which is not proven. They don't have a scientific backing. At the end of the day, you will be losing money on this. You cannot get better with any unscientific treatment which has no scientific backing. You have to go with the treatment which is proven to give results, which is in the earlier stages core decompression and medication, and the later stages a total hip replacement. So I have made this video just to inform you that you have to go to orthopedic surgeon if you have hip pain. Get treated by him as early as possible, and if you're going for a hip replacement, get it done at a good setup where the chances of infection are also low and any complication rates are on a lower side. So if you have AVN or anyone in your family has AVN, avascular necrosis, then you should know what things to avoid. And if you think this video was helpful for you, then please like, share and subscribe. Push the notification button for further updates.